Hello, everyone. Hello, beautiful people. And welcome back to our podcast, where we talk about life, simple English, fun topics. And today we are talking about something exciting, something healthy, and something that makes you feel alive. And that is our hiking plan.
Hello, friends. Hello, adventurers. I am Henry, and when Vina said hiking plan, I immediately imagined fresh air, green mountains, blue sky, and me trying not to complain after walking for 10 minutes.
Henry, you always complain after 10 minutes.
That is not true. Okay, maybe a little bit true, but that is why we need a good plan, because when you have a good hiking plan, you enjoy the journey instead of suffering the whole time.
Exactly. And today we are going to plan a hike together, step by step, in simple English, in a relaxed way, like two best friends planning a weekend adventure.
So if you love nature, or if you want to practice English while imagining a beautiful mountain trip, stay with us until the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our weekly conversations.
Okay, Henry. First question. Why do we even want to go hiking?
Because we sit too much, we look at screens too much, and sometimes we forget that our body needs movement and our mind needs fresh air.
That is very true. And hiking is not only exercise, it is also therapy. Because when you walk in nature, when you hear birds, when you see trees, your stress slowly disappears.
Yes, and I think hiking also gives you time to think clearly, because there are no notifications, no emails, no social media drama, just you and the mountain.
That sounds peaceful already. Now, let's plan this properly, like responsible adults. So first, we need to choose the date.
Okay, so I suggest Saturday morning because if we go early, the weather is cooler, the air is fresh, and we have the whole day to enjoy.
That is smart. And also, if we finish early, we can relax in the afternoon and maybe eat something delicious as a reward.
Ah, yes. Hiking is always better when there is food after it.
So everyone listening, here's a useful sentence. We are planning to go hiking this Saturday morning. Next step, where should we go?
I think we should choose a place that is not too difficult because we want to enjoy the hike, not survive the hike.
That is very important, especially for beginners, because if the trail is too hard, too steep, or too long, you will feel tired and maybe never want to hike again.
So maybe a trail that takes 2 or 3 hours with a nice view at the top so we can take photos and say, wow, we did it.
Yes, and make sure the trail is safe and popular because safety is more important than adventure. Now, this is very important. What should we bring with us?
Okay, number one, water, because without water you will not feel strong and you might feel dizzy.
Yes, always bring enough water and maybe some snacks like bananas, nuts, or sandwiches because hiking makes you hungry.
And comfortable shoes, please. Not fashion shoes, not sandals, but real hiking shoes or sports shoes.
Yes, because if your feet hurt, your whole body feels tired.
Maybe sunscreen, too, because the sun can be strong.
And a small backpack, a hat, and maybe a light jacket in case the weather changes.
So let's practice this sentence. I will bring water, snacks, and comfortable shoes.
Very good. Before we go hiking, we must check the weather because hiking in heavy rain is not romantic. It is just wet and uncomfortable.
Yes, good planning makes the trip smoother and more enjoyable.
Now, let's talk about something deeper, because hiking is not only physical, it is also mental.
Yes, sometimes when you climb a hill, your legs are tired, but the real problem is your mind saying, stop, this is too hard.
Exactly. And that is why hiking is powerful, because when you continue walking, even when you feel tired, you build discipline and confidence.
And when you reach the top, you feel proud because you did not give up.
That feeling is amazing, and it teaches you that in life, when things are difficult, you just take one more step, slowly, calmly, and you will reach your goal.
Sometimes people go hiking only to take photos for social media, and they forget to enjoy the moment.
Yes, take photos, of course, because memories are beautiful, but also take time to breathe deeply, look at the sky, and just be present.
I like that word, be present, which means focus on now, not yesterday, not tomorrow, just now.
Very good explanation. Let's do a small role play because practice is important.
Okay.
You invite me.
Hey, Vina, would you like to go hiking with me this Saturday morning?
That sounds great. Where are we going?
There is a beautiful trail near the lake, and it takes about 2 hours, and the view at the top is amazing.
Perfect. I will bring water and snacks.
And I will bring positive energy.
We will see about that. So today we learned that a hiking plan is simple, but it needs preparation, good timing, the right location, the right equipment, and the right mindset.
And hiking is not only about walking, it's about friendship, health, nature, and building strong memories together.
If you haven't gone hiking for a long time, maybe this is your sign to plan one soon.
And if you can't go hiking right now, at least you practiced English with us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video because it helps our channel grow.
Subscribe for more simple English conversations about daily life, travel, friendship, and confidence.
And write in the comments, I am ready for hiking.
Thank you so much for listening. Take care of your body, take care of your mind,
And see you next time.